Okay, let's get started. First of all, you need to create project. Project could be your or your client name, site name, or anything else that help you to grow up your SEO campaigns. Click create new project and give it name. Now you are ready to set up your first campaign. Go to campaigns in menu, choose your project and hit create new button. Enter campaign name, enter money site URL. It is URL of the site or page you are going to rank. You may enter a few URLs, adding them one per line. Enter keywords you like to rank, one per line. And now you have just add article which will be posted with backlinks to your site. You can use your own unique article or spinnable article if you wish. I add article title and I add article body. Using span article will ensure that every post will be unique. And now you need just to select keywords in article and mark them as campaign backlinks. Let me show you how to do that. I find my keywords in article, select them, and hit this button, campaign link. That's all what is needed to do. And I find another and make it campaign link also. You can hit preview button to see how your article will look like. As you see, we have links created here, 2 links per article. If I click refresh, my article is always unique. Ranksnap will automatically create different kind of content based on your article that can be submitted to different Web 2.0 sites like blogs, bookmarking sites, and status update sites. Next option you have to choose is if you like to create new accounts or use existing accounts from your previous campaigns. In case of reuse accounts, you may choose what accounts you like to submit content to. I will use create new accounts option in this example. And now I select campaign start date. It is date when campaign will start and for how many days I like to drip the campaign. Now I hit next. And it is last step where I choose my backlinks building strategy. You may select one of existing well-tested template or create your own strategy. Simply doing drag and drop like I'm doing now. You may click any of note of your strategy to see and edit sites list which are included to the campaign. And it is all set up of your campaign. Ranksnap will automatically create accounts for this campaign and build multi-tier backlinks for your site. First level of backlinks will have link to your site you specified as money site URL. Second tier backlinks will have link to your first tier. Third tier will have link to your second tier backlinks. This is very effective method to achieve high page ranking in search engines. Not just hit complete button and leave Ranksnap to build backlinks for you. At this point you will start ranking and slowly for harder keywords as well. And you will experience that intoxicating feeling of hitting page number 1 and suddenly seeing really targeted traffic like never before.